What's up, y'all? It's your girl Latoya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on this mic. I've been looking for a mic I can do my ASMR videos with, so yes, we're gonna be doing ASMR. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I guess we'll see. Everybody pretty much has the is it the Yeti mic? I think it's the Yeti mic. I wanted to try to get something that wasn't so expensive, so I went out and got this. It's called, okay, it says MAONO. I have no idea. I know I'm probably saying that wrong. Multifunctional USB microphone. It's for your home and office studio. You can do live streaming, YouTube broadcasting, studio recording, Skype, and podcasting in general. It's called the Fairy Light. That's what it looks like. It has a little glare, but there it goes. You can see it like right there. It's really not big at all, so I'm kind of scared. I haven't tried it out, so I mean, I hope it works. On the side, it tells about it. Polar pattern cardioid. I don't know anything about that. USB-C plug and play. Okay. 3.5 millimeter TRS jack for output. Table stand included, so it's easy to set up. And it's compatible with Windows and Mac OS. So yay, I have a Mac, so great. On the back, it's telling about where to go for technical support, telling you the specifications on the side right here. And the specifications are, it's microphone core, I guess it's diameter, 14 millimeter condenser, polar pattern cardioid, frequency response, that's 20 Hz through 20 kHz. Sensitivity is -35 dB plus / -3 dB. 0 dB equals 1 V / PA at 1 kHz. Now if you know what that means, let me know, because I don't know. Maximum SPL is 110 dB. SN ratio is 70 dB. Sampling rate, this is a long one again, 44.1 kHz / 48 kHz, and it has 16 bit. The cable is USB A2C cable 1.0 M. So it's showing the frequency response right here. If I can get, yeah, if I can get the focus, which I probably can't. And it's showing a lot of things. So how about we get to opening it? The price, I honestly can't remember, but it was cheaper than the Yeti mics. So I'm gonna put all the, you know, information in the description box below. And if you want to go buy it, I'm gonna put it down in the description below and show y'all where I want to go buy it at. Let's get to opening it. Okay, after you open it, it's just a regular box. So you just flip this part up and open. That's what it looks like at first on the inside. And it has a card that's telling you, thank you for shopping with us and all that. And if you need more help, where to go to. This is the user manual. And this is a beautiful mic itself. Like, look at it, it's cute. So this is the baby, like right here. This is it. This is the mic. This is it, y'all. You can do this, and then it has a little thing. You can just sit it on your table. And right here is showing, I guess you can control how loud you talk or something. Right here. And sorry, y'all, I have lotion on my hands. I always have lotion on my hands. You can control what you hear, I guess, right there. That's if you have headphones connected to it, which I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. That's how the bottom looks. It's just a regular bottom, and on the back it has where you can put your headphones in, and that's where the USB or C or whatever goes right here. We'll get to that in a minute. On the side it says, I guess, the company. That's the company. So yeah, I wouldn't advise you to do all this, but, and then I think you can come out, yeah, make it to where it don't be so loose. This little box, and it says accessory. You open that up, and it's your cable that you plug in to your mic and to your laptop. So let's see. I mean, it's pretty long, like from here to here. It's long. You're gonna take this part, the USB-C, and then go to the back. You're gonna stick it in there like that. So when you get this plugged up, you're gonna take your computer. Like I said, I have a Mac, so that's what I'm using in this video. You're gonna take this end of it, and then you're gonna plug it into your USB side of your computer like that. These are the instructions on how to set it up, so I'm gonna have to use these. And since I'm using the Apple Mac, I'm gonna show y'all how to set it up on screen. Okay y'all, so what it's telling me to do first is go to the system preferences, which you can go right here and click on, of course, the settings, and then you can go up here to this box. Okay, what we're gonna do is go to sound, go to input, and you're gonna go down to what I have, the thing that you have, and as you can see as I'm talking, it's taking it in. And I think they're telling me to go ahead and bring it up like right here. So that's how it sounds. I think they want me to put it up to here. Okay, and then you can go ahead and exit out of that. So guys, for my Mac OSs, the people who use that, the MacBook, after you do that, you're gonna have to go to voice memos on your MacBook. I'm not sure about the Windows users, but after you do that, you're gonna have to go to that, and that's where you record your sound and everything. So like I said, yeah, I'm doing an ASMR channel. It's gonna be called LatoyaASMR, and I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box below. We're gonna also test it out, and I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Okay, I don't know how close you gotta put this to your mouth, but here we go. Well, because mine is okay. I think I actually had mine up a little too high, but anyway, y'all get the drift. I'm gonna try to drop my video as soon as possible. I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow on my channel, but yeah, if y'all want to go subscribe, it's LatoyaASMR, and it's gonna be down in the description box, so you can just go click on it and subscribe. So yeah, if y'all want to see more unboxing videos, hit that subscribe button, because I will be doing more unboxing videos. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because like I've been saying, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't know when, but I'm gonna be doing one. Also, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and comment down below what you thought about the video or what you think about the microphone. I mean, it's easy setup, and it actually sounds pretty good, better than what I thought. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.